Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra. If you wanted to check if you have viruses on your tablet, then what you can do is open the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to security and privacy, then go to app security. Over here you will have app protection and Google Play Protect. So you can, for instance, choose this one. If you don't have this enabled, you can turn it on, and then you can press scan tablet in order to check files and apps installed on your tablet. This might take a short while before it is done, but as you can see, it checks every app that we have installed on our tablet. And there we go. So if you have no threats, then of course you will see the information that no threats were found. Now, in addition to that, we can go to, once again, let's go to security and privacy, and this time I'm gonna also show you the Google Play Protect. So if you go to Google Play Protect, you can also press scan in order to check apps. Of course, you will also see recently scanned apps, but just in case, of course, we can scan these apps as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!